to my channel, Planning with Precision. My name's Denisha, and I mostly do vlogs about teaching and about being a mom. I am currently almost 7 months pregnant, and I have really been enjoying documenting this journey with you. So if that sounds interesting, I would love for you to subscribe and make sure you hit that notifications bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to take you along with me around the nursery as I start to organize and get things prepared. I need to put everything in its place. I have a lot of different clothes and materials and items, baby items, that now I need to actually take out of storage and start actually putting them where they go and make it be organized and accessible, which gives me a peace of mind and makes things easier. So I'll take you along with me, and I hope you enjoy. So my first part of my organizational plan is to put a lot of the clothing and items into the organizers that go in the dressers. So I'm going to take all those out, put them in the organizers, and put them back neatly in the dressers. So I'm going to show you a couple of the drawers that I have done and organized. And I use drawer organizers that I got off of Amazon that I really love. So I'm going to continue to add to the organizers as far as the clothes. Other outfits I will be hanging up in the closet, but the main ones I'm going to be using, I'm just going to keep in here. The very top level, I just have the onesies and the sleepers with the feet in them, the zipper ones. And I think that I'm going to stick with just the newborn for the top for now. And again, anything extra will go in the closet. The next drawer, I have some burp cloths, 2 different kinds. And I have some swaddle blankets right here. And some hats and some beanies over here. And some extra pacifiers here. And that all fits nicely in that drawer. This drawer I still am working on. This is kind of my catch-all for now until I organize it. But I have some bath things and a pillow and a baby carrier. So those will probably go somewhere else in the nursery. But for now, I'm keeping them in here. This drawer, I have some more clothes, but these are 0 to 3 months. So I'm keeping these ones a little bit lower. Again, anything extra will go in the closet, but these are outfits that are 0 to 3 months. And then the last drawer I have not done yet, but I'm planning on keeping any kind of breastfeeding items in that last drawer. So that's how I'm organizing my dresser, the dresser for the baby, and I think that will work great. So here's my closet. I have it pretty much organized by the range, like 0 to 3 months, newborn, 6 to 9. I don't have a lot at the bottom. That's mostly for 2 years old. I don't have a lot there, but I have a lot up top. And I got these little dividers on Amazon that show you the range, the age range. my bathtub and bath supplies on the middle. And then at the bottom I have a hamper, and my hospital bag is packed. So that's the closet. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I would love to have you subscribe and press that notifications bell so you know when I upload a new video. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.